So what I have been done from the kinetic energy formula, I have found velocity. So velocity is equals to root of 2 E means kinetic energy divided by mass. So let me take in the given question kinetic energy is Ek. Then it is good for us to solve. Now if you will notice, so this also I will put Ek wherever it is because Ek means kinetic energy. Now both multiply and divide root m so that we will get root m into root m and into divided by root m. So that root m into root m, what will become? Everybody, root 2 into root 2. So we know root 2 into root 2, which is equals to root 2 whole square. Yes or no, Marie? 2 square 1.
Yes.
Square root will get cancel, will get 2. Same way, root m into root m will get root m whole square. So what is the answer will come? All of you. Yes, please. Root m whole square. So square and root will get cancelled. So we'll get m into root of 2 ekm divided by m. So mm will get cancelled. So what is the momentum formula? Actually, P is equals to momentum is equals to what is the formula? Root of 2 into kinetic energy into mass of the body. So please do it. This is the formula. So if you will observe, so what is the exact formula matching? 2 ek e m. So option A or here m e k they have written. So that is the correct answer. Solve it. Abhinami, understand Abhinami? Mithakshri?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You have to think, that is what I am saying. Like these questions only, you have to think. See how Harish has started. You also must think and solve. That is what I am saying, you people. Unless you solve like these sums, we cannot expect more things in coming year. Be very concerned and do it. It's very simple. From the momentum, that is what interlinking. So this is coming in chapter 2 and this is chapter 4. So just finding the relation, just substituting in place of V, we are replacing with the kinetic energy formula. That's all. So do it. Completed? All of you? Google over Google. Aglan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, same question, if they'll ask you an exam for the same question you write, how kinetic energy and momentum are related to each other? Same thing you have to solve, everybody. So please remember that. Kinetic energy and momentum. Kinetic energy and momentum related to each other. How kinetic energy and momentum are related to each other? Same thing you have to do it. Kinetic energy and momentum are related to each other. So by the time also how they are related to each other, everybody, what is the relation we found? P is equals to root of kinetic energy 2 into kinetic energy into mass of the body. That is what the relation. So you have to derive it. Will you all derive it or not? Yes, please. That is what you have to do it. Okay. So or else we can say kinetic energy is equals to P square divided by 2 into M. So this is what the formula. Nothing, the root will come this side square 2 and ek multiplication will come this side, division. That's okay. So that is also you have to remember it. Do it now. Be completed. Yes. Now, based upon this formula, let us solve one question. Everyone, put one question and do it. Two bodies of masses 1 kg and 4 kg. Two bodies of masses. Two bodies of masses 1 kg and 4 kg have equal momentum. What is the ratio of their kinetic energy? What is the ratio of their kinetic energy? Let me see who will find. First, think and solve. Unless you think, you cannot. Very simple. So we all know kinetic energy equals to what is the formula? Everybody. Kinetic energy is equals to, yes please, respond. How? mv square. But here they are not giving velocity. Instead of velocity, they are giving what? Check it here. What they are giving? Yes, please. Momentum. So, kinetic energy and momentum, what is the relation? Harish? Yes, please. Which is equals to p square by 2 into m. Can I say it or not? Akilan? Harish?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, so they are asking ratio. So ratio means I can say first body. So Ek of 1 kg body is equals to, okay, what will happen? P square divided by 2 into 1. Next, Ek, kinetic energy of 4 kg body is equals to P square divided by 2 into 4. So they are asking the ratios. So their momentum is equal. Their momentum is equal means kinetic energy also equal. So what are the ratios? Let us find. So ratios means we will do the division. Yes or no? All of you. So do the division and tell me what is the ratio will come. So I am going to do the division now. So if I do the division, so if we all observe here, so p square by 2 divided by p square by 8 will come. So which is equals to p square by 2 into 8 divided by p square. So p square will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So which is equals to how much are it? 4 by 1, which is equals to 4 is to 1. That is the ratio of their kinetic energies. All of you do it. Good, Abhiram. Very good. Understand, Harish?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, a bus of 10,000 kg. Aswardha, understand Aswardha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is moving with a velocity of 60 km per hour. Calculate the work done. Calculate the work done to stop it. To stop it. So to stop means what is the final velocity? Everybody.
0, sir.
0. So to stop means final velocity becomes 0 meter per second. So now what is the initial velocity then? Initial velocity is equals to 60 kilometer per hour. So as we know, it must be in meter per second. So converting meter per second means which number we have to multiply everybody? 5 by 18 meter per second. So which table we will do it? 18 and 60. 2 9s are, 2 30s are, next 3 3s are, 3 10s are. So which is equals how much? 50 by 3 meter per second. Is it right or wrong? All of you? So which is equals to 16.67 meter per second. Your convenient. You can put it in fraction or decimal. Now, observe very carefully. They are asking what is the work done. So velocity changing. Which theorem I will apply? Abhirami? Yes, please. Work done is equals to change in kinetic energy. So what is that formula? Harish? Work done is equals, what is the theorem name called as?
Work energy theorem.
Work energy theorem. So what is the work done is equals to change in kinetic energy. Change in kinetic energy is equals to work energy theorem. Half mv square minus half m u square. That is what it is. So half into mass is equals to 10,000. Velocity is what? Final velocity? 0 minus half into 10,000 into velocity is how much? 50 by 3 whole square. So now if you notice 0 into anything, 0. So final answer we will get negative or positive. That is, you tell me. We'll get what?
Negative.
Negative, because it is retardation. It is retardation. So 0 minus 2 ones are 2 10,000. So 2 5,000. So 5,000 into 50 square divided by 3 square. So what do you mean by 50 square? How much? Everybody? Minus 5,000 into 50 square means
2,500, sir.
500 divided by 3 square, 9. So all of you do this and tell me how much it is. Five thousand divided by 9, or you can take into 2,500. So which is equals to 1250000 divided by 9. All of you do it. So which is equals to 138888.888, like that will come. So what is the unit of work done? Everybody, joules. So that is what you have to write it. So that many joules of energy will come. Very good, Hari. Do it, all of you. Clear, all of you? Okay. That's right. Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll give you the one question. So you all should try that and you have to tell me the answer in the next class. Along with that, HR book start solving. Okay. Right. A potter carries a package. A potter carries a package from the base camp at B to summit A of a hill at a height of 1,200 meters. The potter waits The powder weighs 800 Newton and the package weighs 200 Newton. What will be the potential energy? What will be the potential energy of the package at A if it is assumed to be 0 at B. Okay, everybody. So, like a base camp is a mountain hill. So, base camp is here, and here is the summit. So, totally, what is the height of this one, everybody? They are saying that what? Here, potential energy is equals to 0. Then, what is the potential energy here? They are asking. So, what is the height difference, everybody? Total height is equals to what? H is equal to 1200 meters. So calculate it. That's all they are asking. So option A 12 into 10 power 5 joules. Option B 2.4 into 10 power 5 joules. Option C 4.8 into 10 power 5 joules. And option D none of this. Okay, all of you must do it. Hari's already did. That is what it is. So he is thinking very nicely. That is what expected from everybody. We have to think carefully and we have to do it. So please solve it. If you have anything doubt, you can ask me. Try this question. Tomorrow we will solve it. Otherwise, Harish will send the pick in the group. You just see how he is solving and you follow. Okay. First, you try your own. Later only you can depend on some other. Okay. So thank you. With this, I will stop, and from here we will continue in our tomorrow's class. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.